Hello there guys, Delectable Divine Delights here. Today we will be creating a Spanish omelette. No habla inglés. So we need 1 potato, 1 large onion, 2 tomatoes and 3 eggs. We're gonna basically cut this, shred it, chuck in the frying pan and then let it cook a little bit, chuck in the potatoes, let that cook and then we'll take it from there. So we've chopped our onions. Grab a frying pan from the wherever it's called, the drying rack. Let's chuck that in. High heat, let the pan get warm. Get some olive oil. Yeah. A healthy dash. Just let that come. We've got our onions here. Just throw them in. There we go. Now all we're going to do is spread them out. There we go. We're just going to let these brown a little bit. Let it cook. Let the flavour come out. And then we'll chop up our potato. There we go. Let that just sizzle. We've got a potato here. I've got a British all-rounder this time, not Marish Piper. So I'm going to chop this up into thin slices. It's cooking nicely away. Guys, I'm going to cheat a little bit. I've got my little mechanism. You can buy it from Amazon for about 30 quid. Let's see if it works. Boom! And then all I need to do is slide it through. Let's see if you guys can see it. Oh. Yeah, that's it. You can see it all sliding through. There we go. This one. We've got it. One more slice up. That's it, literally a couple of seconds. And I've got my slices. Yeah, that's done. Just do this one last time. Boom. Plastic. Now let's have a look. Nicely sliced potatoes. Take you a couple of seconds. Perfect. Perfect. Now all we need to do is add a little bit of salt to this. Normal table salt will be fine. Just want to add about a tablespoon of salt. Remember the potato is very starchy, so even if you add extra salt, it's fine. You can see it's starting to brown now. Just add a dash of bit of oil so it don't burn. And now let's just chuck in our potatoes. It's a very easy, simple dish to create. The Spanish omelette. Just spread it out evenly and we'll cover it. Give it a nice little stir. Some of the onions are burning. Should have chucked in the potato earlier, but it doesn't matter. Adds a bit of flavour. Cooking for me is a trial and error. Just cook as you go along. I think this one might need to be chopped slightly a little bit. I'll leave it for now. I'll actually just take it out. I'll chop it in half. Cover the rest. I'll just let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and we'll be back, guys. Now guys, we're going to do the same thing here. We've got our tomato. We're going to use our full star. Let's shove it in. There we go. And just chuck it in. It's the wrong way around. There we go. We've got it. Let's go. There we go. One more. Oh, it's a bit difficult trying to do this one-handed. Let's see now. Perfect. I've got these two pieces. Just mind your fingers, guys. You don't need to add tomatoes, but I like my Spanish omelette. So I've got to leave them. Let's have a look. All our lovely juicy tomatoes. Now we want to grab one bowl and crack 3 eggs in there. Whoops. Why is it not cracking? This egg is like rock hard. Whoops. Got a show in here. Can I get it out? Yep, I got it out. One more egg. That's not a show, guys. So I got 3 eggs. Grab your chopsticks. Give it a little swirl or twirl. And this is going to be for your potato. Yeah, you can add your seasoning, salt, pepper to it, which I will do. Oh yeah, I also got this. I like a little bit of a kick in mine. It's up to you in your omelette what you want to add. Let's add a bit of salt and some pepper. There we go, guys. Now let me just chop up your chili. So chili. Chop it up. It's a bit stiff. To sharpen my knife. Whoops. Honestly, that was really tough. Don't want the bum. Oh, that's not the butt. Chuck it in. Same with the tomatoes. Chuck them in. There we go. Give it a little stir. You could even add a little bit of milk into this if you like, which I might do. I added a bit of milk, just give it a bit of stir to give it a bit more consistency. So this will be but I use full fat milk. My egg wash. Now all I'm gonna do, unmark this. Whoa! Look at our lovely potatoes. Looking a bit done. I'll let them cook a little bit. You can see the onions, some of them are starting to burn. I should have chucked in the potatoes earlier, but it doesn't matter. I'll give it another minute with the potatoes, and then I'll chuck it in with the batter.